Good morning and festive greetings to you all. Now, it can't have escaped your notice that it is less than 2 months until Christmas, and already the shops are filled to the brim with festive goodies, and that means advent calendars. We've only got just over a month until we can start breaking into our advent calendars, and this year I've chosen my 5 favourite advent calendars to bring you. Now, I should say that they're all under £20, so none of them are going to break the bank, whilst I think that Jing calendars and ones that cost like £60 or £100 are really cute. I also think that Christmas is a really expensive time. So I chose advent calendars which were more budget friendly. So without further ado, let's get on to my first, which is definitely for the teens amongst us. Bit of a curious one this, I picked this up in Sainsbury's. It costs £10. And it is the sweet little thing, 12 Days of Christmas Adventure Calendar. So this one is to be given as a Christmas present rather than just before Christmas. So door number 1, which is good for Christmas Day, you're going to give yourself a nice bath with this bath bomb. It's not the biggest bath bomb, but it smells delicious. Then let's skip to the last door. Because we all know that the best presents are behind the last door, right? Door number 12. What could be better than toe separators? I mean, who wouldn't want some of those? I don't own them, certainly. One of my children's going to be delighted with the pair of toe separators from a slightly opened adventure calendar. And now we get on to the real ones, the ones that help us count down to that magical day called Christmas. And my first one is one for the children. This is the Schleich, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, advent calendar, and this one is recommended for ages 3 to 8. This one is going to help you build your own wildlife park, and it means that on Christmas Eve, when you've opened the last door, you can have lots of fun and adventures. On door 24, this is going to keep the little ones busy, while the big ones do all of those tasks which help Santa to arrive. So let's go with door number 6. And on door number 6, we have my favourite thing ever. It's a tiny giraffe. Actually, it's not that teeny tiny. If I just hold it in my hands. That's a good sized giraffe you have there. And door number 24 is a lion. I actually love this, and you also get a panda and a zookeeper and a daegu there running a thing. I don't really like the creepy crawlies, but I guess that some people do like those. My next advent calendar is the one that I'm keeping for me. I bought this at Wilkinsons, and this is It's Beginning to Smell a Lot Like Christmas. And door number 24, I'm going to open full-size candle. Do do do. And this is all full of the smells of Christmas, and actually it does. This whole box reminds me of the smells of Christmas past. There are 3 different flavours: sweet orange and clove, winter berries and spiced apple, and spiced apple and cinnamon. So this one is going firmly on my wall for me. Then we have advent calendar number 4. From Haribo. Now, you should be able to have sugar every day in the approach to Christmas, and quite frankly, if you're not getting it, then sad times. So door number 24, it's a Christmas tree. Oh Tannenbaum, oh Tannenbaum. I'm breaking in the song again, must be Christmas. And also little treats like this bag of festive Haribo. But it's not going to cost you very much. I can't get that to focus on there either. There we go. Yes, Christmas Haribo for the win. And that one's going to be good for children and adults alike. Now the next one I would say is definitely for the adults and the mums, the dads, the grannies, the granddads, because let's not leave them out. I think these are the doors or Duerrs jam calendar. Hey, it's so big I can't even fill the frame. Very far away. Basically, you get 24 pots of preserves in here. You get everything. You get like apricot preserves. I can't even get them out. You get those tiny little pots. All those tiny little pots. So like ginger, apricot, Seville orange and whiskey marmalade. It's like the best, jammiest Christmas ever. And door 24, where you always get the best things. Look, I can't even get this out. It's so big. Just excuse me. Look at that. A full-sized jam behind door number 24. And that is the Christmas spiced mixed fruit preserve. So, and again, this one was definitely reasonable and available from Costco. So get yourselves to Costco and buy one of those. So that's my rundown of my 5 favourite advent calendars. I'll be keeping the jams and also the smelly things from Wilkinsons. Some would call them candles. And I'll be giving the rest away. And if you join me on some videos over the next few weeks, I'll be talking about all things Christmas. So this is my return to YouTube. I'm giving it one last time. I'm going to see you in the next video.